So let's register for GATE 2025. So you open GATE 2025 and then IIT Roorkee. Then you open this and then you go for you can see here you have applications. Because this is first time, so I am opening application and then here I am going for apply online. So first you will do your registration is not login, so come down and here you do register. During registration it's like they come to know that you want to register. Then after filling this they will send you a separate password. By using that separate password you have to do login, and that credential you have to remember always. So like here I am putting my name, my first name. Oh, it didn't take. I'm putting my first name, then I'm putting my middle name, and then I'm putting my surname. And now they're asking for the confirmation because I have done all three names. So confirm here. They are now again confirming. Then do continue. Then put email address. I'm putting my email address. And then I have to confirm email. I don't think you can copy paste or not, but you should not do that because confirmation is important for you itself. And @gmail.com, country of registration India, it should be here. And now I'm putting my mobile number. Done. And then confirm mobile number. Then you can create a password, create my own password. I'm creating password. I have created password. Now confirming. Done. Confirmation done. Then you create this subtraction, then register. There is at least one error. I'll check where is the error. Name is done, email confirmation is done, mobile number is done. Confirm password didn't match. Done. So if registration is done, they are saying thank you for registering for GATE 2025. SMS and email will be sent. So I have to remember this.